Titan Email Backup protects your mailbox and helps recover deleted emails easily. Enable backup once. Titan does the rest. Every 24 hours, we capture your mailbox exactly as it is. Only admins can enable or disable email backup for a user. Once enabled for a user, backups begin automatically for that mailbox. Now the backups are running, here's how you access them. See all folders and emails exactly as they were on that day. And if you're looking for something specific, you don't have to scroll manually. Search through any backup version. Instantly find emails that were deleted, misplaced, or received years ago. Once you've found the email you're looking for, you can choose how you want to restore it. Add to original folders adds back only the missing emails. Your current inbox stays unchanged. Perfect when you've accidentally deleted a few emails and want them back exactly where they were. But if you prefer to keep them separate, there's another option. Restore to a separate folder restores the selected emails into a new folder. You can restore them in the same mailbox or choose another user's mailbox. A new folder is created, and all selected emails are restored there, from a few emails to the entire backup version. Ideal when you want to keep restored emails separate or archive older conversations. Admins and users can run a manual backup anytime. Run a manual backup before cleaning an inbox or deleting an account, so you always have the latest version saved. Titan Email Backup. Never lose an important email again.